Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be very informative, so we'll watch till the end. My name is Jasminar.
And my name is Momo.
Let's get started. The best way to use the Vaseline. Apply the Vaseline to the eyelash curler and see the magic. Massage Vaseline on your cuticles for beautiful nails. Use Vaseline to remove stubborn lipsticks and eye makeup. You remove blackheads, whiteheads, or acne marks easily. Mix turmeric in Vaseline and use it to treat fine line and dark circles. Mix Vaseline with honey for smooth and soft lips. Apply it as an eyebrows and hair gel. Melt a spoonful of Vaseline in the oven, then pour it into a normal water bottle and use it as a hair setting spray. Use it to prime eyelids before eyeshadow. Make a tint by mixing any lipstick. Apply it over lipstick to get glossy lips. It gives them a glow and it prevents your shoes from crackling. Vaseline plus banana plus lemon. This product will smooth out your wrinkles, refresh and rejuvenate your skin by 10 years. Mixing Vaseline with coarse salt can create a foot scrub. It helps to remove dead skin from the feet and maintenance softness. Thanks for watching.